Imagine a world where all the skills that you've mastered, all the tools that you've learned have been replaced by AI. This is a conversation that's been going around for a while, especially in our industry. Is AI going to take our jobs? My name is Mohsen Bizar. I am a 3D artist. I work in the VFX and animation industry since early 2000. I've worked on many feature films, commercials, and TV shows, animations with real-time content. The Visual Effects Society had a great panel recently, and they go in conversation with AI and deep learning and machine learning, etc. So once we understand that we are not in the era of artificial intelligence yet, we are still in the era of deep learning and machine learning, we can have a clear understanding of where we are currently and where the trajectory is heading to, and what we need to learn in terms of our skills and adaptability. Shifting the focus away from artificial intelligence into deep learning and machine learning will make us realize that we already have a set of tools that are using these systems to advance our workflow. Tools such as denoiser, motion capture animation optimizations, modeling optimizations, texturing, upscalers. All of these are using some of these systems in order to make our jobs easier. Okay, so now that we already covered what tools we are already using that are using this system, let's talk about the potentials of what's going to be happening within the next couple of months, the way that this is going, or a year. I personally believe that it's going to go after repetitive tasks and technical tasks. For example, render optimization. For example, rotoscoping, tracking, keying. These are some of the things that I think these systems are going to use in order to speed up our process. The biggest issue with GenAI, obviously, is copyright issues and copyright infringement. Already, there's a lot of lawsuits against these companies, and we will know the outcome in a couple of months or a couple of years. The source of these generated pictures or videos is not known and is not clear. And some of these sources might be copyrighted already. The only tool that is claiming that it is safe to use is Adobe Firefly at the moment. They are using their own stock footage and stock database. Running a generative AI is extremely costly and not many people talk about it. Nobody talks about the amount of data that you have to feed into these in order to make it art directable, which at this time we're not close to that moment. To wrap this up, the cost of making movies these past couple of years has been the highest, and studios are trying to find a way to cut down these costs. Everyone is concerned about the role of AI in these, and I hope by making this video, I have given you some valuable information of where generative AI and deep learning and machine learning are in our industry.